Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you this simple recipe for a Russian potato salad. And all of my great-grandparents were either Russian or from East Europe, and therefore they used to have this salad, and I've been having it for a very long time. And just recently I decided to veganize it, and today I wanted to share the recipe with you. So without further ado, let's get into it. Start by dicing 3 medium to large potatoes into small cubes. If you don't have medium to large potatoes, you can also use about 6 small potatoes. And add them into a pot with some water and a steaming tray. Then dice 2 to 3 carrots into small cubes. The way I like to do it is cutting horizontal strips in all directions and then slicing it, as you see me do here. And then I add it into the steaming tray. Steam the potatoes and the carrots for about 10 to 15 minutes until soft. Meanwhile, defrost 1 to 1.5 cups of peas. Today I was using a mix of frozen carrots and peas, therefore I diced only 1 carrot earlier rather than the 2 to 3 carrots, and here I'm defrosting 2 cups of the mix rather than just 1 or 1.5 because it also has carrots. And the way I like to defrost the peas or any other frozen vegetable is by adding them into a bowl and covering it with some boiling water and let it sit for about 5 minutes before straining them. Also, finely dice 1/4 of a large red onion or half of a small red onion, and you can also decide to use white onion or even green onion if you would like. Now prepare your dressing, and for this you will need 1/2 cup of plant-based mayo. I am using Veganese by Follow Your Heart, and you can decide if you don't want to use mayo to instead use cashew spread, which I have a recipe for that I will link up here where you see the eye, as well as in the description down below. And I mix the mayo with some spices. I like using 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of dried dill or some fresh dill. Then I mix it all up, and there you have the dressing. Another ingredient you can decide to add are some diced pickles. Pickles are a staple in the Russian cuisine, and I know many add it into this potato salad. I opted out, but it's up to you to decide. By now the potatoes and carrots should be soft. Gently check with a knife to see if they're ready, and if they are, let them cool for a few minutes. Then you will add the potatoes, carrots, peas, onions, and dressing into a large bowl and mix it until everything is well combined and everything is covered in dressing. Then you can serve it directly like that in the bowl you mixed it, which is normally what I do, but sometimes I like to transfer it into a clean bowl to serve in order for it to look nicer, and then it's time to enjoy. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. It really makes my day and also helps me out with the algorithm. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below in order to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Also, let me know in the comments below if you give this a try, and I will see you all very soon with a new video. Bye!